Bro, respect to Alkaline. You get where I come from? But Massacre are the new face now, and the people them love Massacre, bro.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
I think Sika fans like Alkaline though.
What do you mean?
Sika not fans like Alkaline.
What do you mean?
Him not fans like Alkaline. What you don't understand?
Let me not understand what you say.
Massacre don't have the same amount of fans as Alkaline.
Maybe have
Alkaline
more.
have more
Maybe
fans.
have more.
No, Alkaline.
You keep talking, man. And you shut the fuck up.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People are going to know one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man, you know things that. So we see Jaii and walk and talk. I talk about a madness, people. I have to share my head. You understand? But we're going to a video. I couldn't hear what I'm going to see.
Massacre. Massacre about to drop him what, third album? Yeah. In your Forever Rain. Yeah, so in your Forever Rain. I said in your Forever Rain, right?
If I put an album together, we're good still.
Yeah.
Thank you for that. If I put an album together, we're good, like.
At the boat.
You see it?
At the boat.
You can't have a good argument, right?
Yeah, you can't.
See the good king and the thing, then we can't
You
need
can't
it.
right now.
Can't wear that now.
But you know what? I expect Massacre to drop another banger. I think that the first him drop outside of theme time because now Massacre's like December 1st still. You see me? And him a headline the Reggae Fest, the Barclays Center. Can Massacre full the Barclays Center?
Let us see.
Let us see what we talk about it right now.
No, I know Massacre can't full back to the center.
I think when last thing New York?
I feel good, well, my breeze off.
You sure?
Yeah. My breeze
No,
off.
sir, Massacre.
The last time Massacre performed in a New York, I think I like Bounty Killer show. Yeah, when him book for Bounty Killer show in a Barclays Center. I think around last year them time. So? Yeah, about that. Last year them time about June or May around them time. You understand? June, July. Yeah, about a year. At the last time him perform. You understand? But let's see. Is there anything possible? So we're gonna see if him can sell it out. You understand?
Okay, Massacre can't fully back to the center. We can't tell that. You know what I'm saying? Massacre can't fully back to the center. Bro, respect to Alkaline. You get where I come from? But Massacre are the new face now, and the people them love Massacre, bro.
What do you think Sika fans like Alkaline though?
What do you mean?
Sika not fans like Alkaline.
What do you mean?
Yo, man, tell them how well in the people are cheat even though, you know. I don't know how Alkaline forward in this. Him say, big respect to Alkaline, but Massacre what the people them love. Well, fine. That's your opinion. You understand? I don't know Alkaline forward in the conversation. You see me? If Massacre do him thing, him do him thing. You see me? Alkaline have no, and Alkaline boss Massacre, so I just want them thing the people way. But I understand still based on Alkaline are youngest to do it. So I guess he might try to say, yo, Massacre this and the fan base thing, bro. Nobody go to some G walk and talk. Cause more than one time here do this. Massacre not have that type of fan base, my G. You understand? It's just that everybody just rate Massacre. Them just rate Massacre cause I'm a good youth. That means I'm fans them. You see me?
Him not a fans of Alkaline. What you don't understand?
I don't understand what you say.
Massacre don't have the same amount of fans as Alkaline.
Maybe have
Alkaline
more.
fans.
Maybe have more.
No, Alkaline have more fans. And Alkaline have more woman fans too. And that's where the money there. So now, do I think Massacre can full the venue?
Yes.
Yes. But at the same time, how much? I said probably 52% sure same can full the venue. I'm gonna be honest with you.
You can't fully fit it. I'm like having song them. I go
Is that about having the songs, about having the fan base?
in my fan base. You see the thing of Massacre over there?
Which one?
The thing with the one Carter over there?
Yeah?
But Jaii, but remember see how the songs them build the fan base, my G. You understand? Without songs, how you go create fans? I don't understand that. How you get for know artists because I'm songs them. So I'm have to have the songs for the fan base, my G. You understand?
That help boost that fan base, bro.
When I say no, but does that help boosting fan base where them gonna pay this money? I can see people are complaining for the ticket them too dear. Do a fact check for me some what the cheapest ticket right now for Ticketmaster?
Even if I ticket them, what do you want them again? What do you want them again?
CJ
Miller, ticket them.
You know, and I wonder what's the status with CJ them and Carter?
Like whatever.
Them good?
Yeah. Why say them not good?
Because you know dancehall is a politics thing.
Yeah.
And me no see no reggae fest Gully and Gaza and we see some other one Cartel both go up on the road. Them a go Malta, them a there some fest obviously.
Yeah.
But me no see no reggae fest Gully and Gaza and then in a way she kinda try for the dog still. Try for the dog with the Alkaline show, I'm not gonna lie.
Yo, them money are sick in the medina, bro. Bro, when I feel like say our first Alkaline I work with CJ Milan Meji. Bro, people, so the man them a say chew the Gully and bro, when I feel yo, that's why me hear this talk about CJ or some Gaza promoter any dog. Like, bro, when business time are business time, when Cartel ready for work, bro, Cartel no own CJ Milan Meji. CJ Milan is a promoter. We have reggae fest, dance. I remember, you know, and all the while she book artists when she keep show. Sometimes she have some show like the ski party and pan ship and pan some place. I think she have one of her this Saturday at Boston. Bro, not because Cartel them do them thing Movado and Rate do them thing over Malta and Ray G. Like, you don't feel like say you don't pre this thing politics in a wrong way, G. The woman rate every artist. The woman did business, bro. The woman signed contract. You understand? Whenever she and Cartel ready for work, them will work. Whenever she and Massacre for work, them will work. When she and Alkaline for work. She work with the top three man them when name always a call in a dancehall. Cartel, Alkaline, and Massacre. You understand? The woman no care about the politics in the game, G. She did business. You understand? So, you will say she chew off Cartel because she work with Alkaline. Yo, dog, me I tell you, brother. If I saw to pre the game, brother, I'm go flop. Me I tell you no.
Because she say your Alkaline set record, but she never really explain what the record him set because it look like the same layout as the Cartel show. So if him set a record, tell me what the record him set. And then, you know, from that, me not see no more Cartel shows.
Sometimes at the 5 of the morning, okay, I see this camera.
Yeah.
So what boy tell us, so there's some things up on the camera, you will never remember it, you know. Because if you have to be careful what you say, because we see it, you know. I mean, I have to tell you, what do you mean by Alkaline set record? Like, come on, Cartel, I'm sold out back to back. So, let's say, you do good as an age too, you know, and but sometimes when I be careful, so I say, so what do you think about Alkaline rate? If I don't have an interview, so I don't do interview, yes, don't and keep it going, because Cartel let me feel away for this, you know.
You see,
Yo, people, it's so surprised we are seeing. It's so surprised. Remember, you know, walk and talk their own Joe them, you know. And he just make a speech a while ago, say Cartel with pre them thing. But, bro, I feel like sure Alkaline, you just can't listen for understand. You understand? Bro, you see, the thing is that Cartel have a back-to-back show. See? If you don't understand, he has a back-to-back show, 2 days. See? Alkaline have a 1 day show. So you see the back-to-back show Cartel do? Him do a standard ticket. See? Yeah, him create history, the back-to-back, 2 days. See? Alkaline, 1 day. Based on the 1 day where him do? Yeah, that is the 1 day. Where CGF add certain things and all of them look at thing there. It not have nothing to do with Cartel, my G. You understand? It not have nothing to do Cartel do back to back. You see it? But for the first day, the first night, them never have the setup based on where the person did I say. So more extra. But Cartel doing back to back same way the 2 days. You see me? So whatever Alkaline don't have nothing to do with Vice Cartel, bro. You see it? Cause Uno mix it up with Cartel show and whatsoever. Nah, nothing to do with Cartel, my G. You see me? Alkaline do him do in a 1 day, Cartel do him do in a 2 days. You see me?
Me and Massacre is the new king. And I'm not saying new king, this is kind of like king argument is serious.
Yeah, king argument.
Does it mean he's the active king for the ground? Because Cartel is, if Cartel want to be the goat, Cartel want to be the king, fine. Anything Cartel want to be, he is and he can be and he will be. But we are talking about now. Cartel are 50 years old. We have to acknowledge that. Yeah. But if Massacre want to say him are the king, can we, if him fully, can we say, alright then, you're definitely the king?
No.
Why not?
No, man.
Because we can't get Alka, because Alka not ask for it. If Alka, you ask for it, for game. But you don't ask it. I'm not out here give you a wall like that. But back to that though.
Yeah.
Yo, I tell people in a brother, that's why Alkaline say want be great in a people. Yeah man, that's why Alkaline say want be great. Because, bro, this king thing, I get water down. You understand? Because Massacre forget the king if him solo Barclays Center. You see, this king thing, bro, I don't know. It's like anybody can get king too. You see me? Even L.A. Lewis can get the king the crown right now, told me see, because the king thing has some joke thing, dog. I tell you, some joke thing, my G. Bro, as I said, Massacre need to put in some more work. You understand? Alka say, yo, him not pray that. You see me? So, I don't know, if you don't want to give Massacre, you know. You see it? Yeah, as him say, every black man a king. You see me? Yeah.
If Massacre, I'm trying to find the price of people, I'm not never going fun.
Well, under.
No, man, if Massacre, why is Massacre would be the king now?
Only be the king.
Why?
Only be the king. Massacre first want to put in some more, man.
But I'm saying, what more him than need to do?
So what on the, alright, so what on the, you set the Barclays them for him ram it, and they give him the crown up your yard then.
Over my yard?
Yeah, you know what crown put on for him?
Them could have given the crowd at the Barclays. Or him are the new youth. Where I do it. And the active youth. I'm going to say Cartel is Vibes Cartel, bro. I'm not compare Massacre to Cartel. Let's get that straight. There's no comparison. Cartel do it, and he still do it.
Still do it.
But right now, we need fresh blood. We need young blood for to lead out the thing, right? And Massacre asked for the throne. Him set him as the king. So if him can full Barclays, I think it's fair that he is the new king. Not saying Cartel is not the king.
How come up king?
So wait the people, who no tell me, because I can't really talk about them madness. And people tell me in a comment, if Massacre sell the back and say that if he can be the king. You understand? Those who no tell me in a comment, because I don't know with Jeffrey.
No, man, there can be more than one king, brother. No, man, see, they have ticket for your ticket for $60. Yeah, this not bad. That's not bad.
Come on, man, when I can buy the $50 ticket. I know they're not sure what I say, but they know.
If Massacre sell out the Barclays, I think he has a right to claim kingship.
So king thing is a
No, but you look on it wrong. Remember, you know, alright, so that album is not bad like the other two albums them. Right? So 3 classic albums, like the two of them are classic.
Yeah.
You have 3 classic albums. Every year this man find a song. If it's not the number 1 song, or the number few, or the top 3, for sure. Bro, this is great. Yeah, and mind you, Massacre is doing this without controversy. The dog stay to himself. The more Massacre in the controversy, bro.
Yo, people, this what Jeffrey attack. This sound like Alkaline or it sound like Massacre. Because when you say controversy, bro. Well, people them so seeing clip. Massacre and controversy. This a man who love go up on Instagram live, me G. And do video and put out and a bag of chatting. Do what? Me not understand. What I mean by do what without controversy? Massacre, me G. If you say Alkaline, no, I could understand. Because people see Africa Massacre upon the road or anywhere more often than Alkaline. So I don't know what you mean by controversy, my G. You see me?
No, in a real life, pre-dog life. All the dog really talk about I'm success, bro. You see how one view at the mansion, you see the post truck, you see my buy him son a house, you see my have investments them and rare.
I'm a reason, and the reason them powerful.
Yeah, that's so the dog now do this with no controversy. So if him for full the Barclays now, which again, me I expect him to do, I just want to see him do it.
The whole war thing and rare.
Yeah, they got him out.
So wait the people, Alkaline they use controversy for full out Barclays Center? I that more I know, you know. In people, more asking a question. Alkaline they use controversy for sell out bar. You see Alkaline none of video do anything or for sell out Barclays Center? Yo dog, we don't know any dog. Jeffrey boy, Masicka them pay dog, cause some be a madness attack on the internet right now. You understand?
Push.
Exactly. If Massacre really want to hype right now, this Alka, we beg for the award. And then now give it.
We need a award.
So we have to really acknowledge say,
yes,
as we know, as big as he is, him could have bigger, even brand wise. But that him choose for law that. If you think about it, we don't know nothing about Massacre.
We're not doing people, you know what? We're not doing people. Yeah. You know, like you come on the media, come say, yo, I can't tell my pussy and rain man. Alright. The only person ever said the man do the media thing with a demarco and just style him up and random there. It's.
Bro, who Jeffrey attack people? Who Jeffrey really attack? I can't Massacre this a man attack dog. People, see some clip here? Come on know what I mean by Massacre not do rare with controversy and one bag of thing.
None of that. You know, much system. No sussy boy, no chat boy. No nothing, nothing at all like that.
No thing go, yeah?
That's all no good for it's and then go and go perform the song them flop on the stage.
Crocodile, wireless one. Wireless one. You understand? Know that blood killer. Now listen to it step. Hits. Play the song. Get some fist, bro.
People, is this the same artist where something they attack? Cause I say, yo, Massacre gonna do this when the man a show you everything. I don't understand, brother. You come like on a blind dog. So listen to that clip of people.
You get what me I say? So you just stop yapping and the chatting, waste man nothing. And spread propaganda. You waste man and you job that for talk, you know. You get what me I say and follow back a man and chat fooling. You hear that? Yeah man, and they say they big up yourself Vibes Cartel every time. You get me?
Yeah, but other than that, he's not trouble nobody, brother. You see me? He's not trouble nobody. In the Massacre, Barclays and August 15, I'm really interested to hear the album I do. One thing I rate with Massacre album, them that the man I
put together, you know?
Yeah, bro.
Work put together, you know? Go on to the album.
Cool, bro.
Yeah, man, album put together, man. Well put together. Clarity, thing put together.
Yeah.
All the album, we have song we miss on it. You never have a album really, because a song we really miss.
No, quality songs.
Quality.
Yo, the man say, the man never have a album with no song we no miss. Bro, me see, yo, when it comes to Massacre, you know, overhype, you know, dog. On a really overhype, you know. You understand? On a really overhype, my G. Is it? Because no for uno just has say classic for us say, alright, Massacre classic. That's all. Because right now, Massacre don't even perform some of the song them. On him album them. Especially the 438. I tell you that. You see me? I maybe like one song alone the man perform on the album, the G. Another one, they don't know are the moments, like about 2 songs. Basically. The moments with him and what she named Steph London and they don't know. That's all. The rest of the songs the man perform them the G. The man have much song on the album. I wanna say it is a classic. You don't understand? And what's the major songs are for them? What you would have called hit song if a classic. Bro, classic album we have how much hits on it, my G. How much hits forward off a Massacre album? Really? Tell me the people. Because when him for perform him song them is like the people them now react to them, my G. So I go on. But I guess maybe the collaboration them and through him maybe just sing a certain way. Cause you know Massacre more like a I see why him kinda do a lot of collaborations when it comes to the reggae artists them. Him just a kinda look a natural reggae lookish dancehall thing. You see me? So I guess through him collaboration, cause him not do a solo album yet. So I guess through him collaboration with other rest of artists, yeah. Like 50% of the album or so, maybe. Yeah, the collaboration them, but I just one of them thing there, but we not gonna realize still, is it? Yeah man. But we not for just watch and see that, you see me? Sometimes I just feel like say we make things worse with Massacre, my G. I tell you know. Because we not see the reality, you know. We just see some little thing in a dancer, but we not see certain things we are going out there when we perform them songs, yeah. You see me? Yeah man, Massacre a good artist, but I don't think him reach a level where uno think him reach. I tell you that. You see me? But I just one of them thing there. People, you don't know, big up on yourself. You see me? Remember to like, share and subscribe. You see it, you don't know one media facts. But people, tell me in the comments. You understand? Because I think the other day a Grenada we see the show and the performance them, the man perform the bossy. All of these songs and it's like you wonder if a them a hit song or what because bro, the crowd now react the way. Oh yeah, that thing so yo crowd that react to the songs them. You see me? But we not gonna realize still, you see me, because things are getting more visualized right now. Tune in, you see me? But people, big up on yourself, you know. You don't know one media facts pan up. Yeah man, that is it.